Welcome to the Bee's Knees. This is PJ Ewing, your host, speaking. I've got a big announcement to make today on the show related to the X10 Knee Machine itself. As you know, we've been in business for a while, over 7 years treating patients, helping them with their knee surgery recoveries, ACL recoveries, MCL, total knee replacement, partial knee replacement, patellar fractures. But now we can actually say that our fleet has been fully installed with wireless knee analytics, and I'm going to go into some detail about that today. It's a groundbreaking moment for knee surgery recovery in that we now can track patient progress in the home remotely, meaning there's a dashboard, there's a coach, there's a patient, and they're all connected via the X10 machine and our wireless connections to each of the devices. This means that we can be better coaches, provide better information to surgeons, physical therapists, physician's assistants. The whole team that cares about a patient's knee now is in real time up to speed with what's happening in home on the X10 machine. And that provides us with a huge opportunity for analytics that let us peer into the recovery path, pattern, and be able to intervene if there's something that we don't like, or just modify slightly if we have opportunities to make the recovery a little bit better. It's a huge, powerful tool that is now available to all of our patients wherever they happen to be, and it's all through our wireless connectivity to the cloud and obviously back to our main dashboards and our main database. This is really the introduction of what we're calling X10 Wireless Knee Analytics, and really what that's going to mean for patients going forward.
Welcome to The Bee's Knees, a podcast full of articles, interviews, clinical studies, and advice about knee surgery, physical therapy, and life after knee surgery.
Introducing X10 Wireless Knee Analytics. The X10 Knee Machine has been helping surgeons ensure a quick and complete recovery for their patients since 2010. Now available in 20 states, the X10 has helped thousands of patients recover from TKA, ACL, MCL, patellar fracture, arthroscopy, revision, and MUA. In 2018, we introduced a pilot program which enabled our recovery coaches, physical therapists, and surgeons to track in-home patient progress. As of this month, April 2019, we have deployed our new X10 Wireless Knee Analytics program across our entire fleet. So what we get out of this wonderful invention and addition to our program are exact measurements that are shared with the right people at the right time when they can really make a change or adjustment to a program. For the first time, a patient's clinicians can observe remotely and track all rehab progress. Measurements include those for knee extension, flexion, knee tightness for both extension and flexion, active flexion, a leg press, quad, hamstring, and calf strength. Based on pre-surgery assessments and baseline data, the coach, a physician's assistant, a home therapist, a therapist in a clinic, and the surgeon have a complete picture of a patient's status at any given time. And based upon this data, recovery can be optimized for each patient throughout their time on the X10, which is typically during the first 2 to 4 weeks after the operation. It's really a new window into the recovery of each patient. Imagine the ability to peer through a window that has never been there before. Suddenly, a medical team can observe and guide a patient with the ever-increasing battery of metrics about knee performance that we're developing just when it counts the most, during that first period of time, that acute phase right after a surgery. X10's wireless knee analytics will change the picture of knee surgery recovery really from this point forward. And this is a preemptive opportunity to solve problems, to get in front of what's going to be a tougher recovery. With the X10 comes a knee recovery coach, and this coach is highly trained on how the X10 machine works. Our coaches ensure that each patient gets the most out of the X10. It also tracks past extension, flexion, and strength data. If a patient uses X10 for prehab, that's work prior to surgery, that data is available as well. We can easily set objectives for each patient to return to full range of motion and strength based upon baseline information. Given a few days of data, we can put each patient in a recovery class and predict the recovery pattern. We break patients up into 4 different classes and sort of work from there. It's really a giant leap forward. We'll share more as the next months go by, and we'll get into some of the real opportunities that this has provided us in terms of interventions to avoid problems. But suffice it to say right now, knee surgery recovery has taken an enormous step to improving the recoveries of millions of knee patients worldwide in the X10 knee recovery system. This wireless data sharing and new analytics opportunity is just one of the many innovations on this revolutionary device for knee surgery recovery. I'm looking forward to sharing a lot more with you again as time goes by. So watch this space. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time.
To learn more, visit x10therapy.com, 1-855-910-5633. Just a reminder, it's a huge help if you subscribe to, rate, and review our podcast. It helps people find us.
X10, back to full strength.